Miss Emily was a kind and beautiful teacher. Her eyes sparkled like stars and her smile was as warm as the sun. She loved teaching English and watching her students grow. One of her students was Alex, a smart and quiet boy. He admired Miss Emily very much. He loved her way of teaching and her gentle nature. As time passed, their bond grew stronger. They would often stay after school to discuss books and share stories. Alex was drawn to Miss Emily's intelligence and kindness, while she was impressed by his dedication and passion for learning. Their feelings for each other grew deeper, but they knew that their relationship was complicated. A teacher and a student couldn't be together. Yet, their hearts yearned for each other. One day, Alex confessed his feelings to Miss Emily. She was surprised but touched. They knew their love was special, but it would be difficult. They decided to keep their relationship a secret. They would meet secretly, exchange letters, and share stolen glances. Their love was a quiet flame, burning brightly in their hearts. Their love story was a beautiful and forbidden love, a story of hope, passion, and the enduring power of human connection.